Live in Carterville at Christmas in Carterville, and we brought out our mobile weather lab, and this thing is pretty neat. It has a weather sensor on it where it can give you all of the latest information. And what's the coolest thing about all of this instrumentation, and this is what you've been seeing at the local elementary schools, some businesses, you know, we get a lot of our information from local airports, and that's great, but nobody lives at the airport and nobody goes to Christmas celebrations at the airport. So we can give you the information where things are actually happening, and right now we have the current up-to-date information here at our site. And let's throw up the graphics so you can actually see that a little bit better. Right now the temperature is 60 degrees here in Carterville, and we have a very calm wind, so it feels very comfortable out there, and of course very dry air as well. So we're actually...
Meteorologist Nick Housen is on the hill in Marion with more on conditions for those who do have to hit the roads this morning. Nick, what are you seeing?
Well, I'll tell you what, it has just been miserable out here, really for the last hour or so. The winds are just relentless. We've seen wind gusts 25, 30 miles an hour. We're here with the mobile weather lab. Let's see how high we've had as a maximum wind gust. You can see we've had a wind gust up to 34 miles an hour, and it is just causing problems across the region with blowing snow. The road crews are out in full force, but they're having a hard time keeping up with it, and that's due because as soon as they get all the snow removed, more blows in there. We're going to scan out over here. You can see kind of all the snow around. You can kind of see some of that blowing around as well. We're starting to see some snow drifts develop. Also, as I mentioned, you know, the snow is a big deal. We're seeing some very high totals, but the wind just seems like it's the big story. It's kind of calmed down here just a little bit. Earlier, I was just getting pounded in the face constantly with more and more snow just hitting me.